Hey, buddy. Finally feeling guilty about getting my seats all muddy? Yeah, that's right. Woke up to a nice pleasant surprise this morning, you see this? We're dog sitting for a whole week, and these pups are gonna be a handful. But we're gonna come at you a little early morning EXO update today, because we have got some confusion. Well, I've got some confusion on my mind lately, man. Holy crap. I don't even know what the difference is between my two YouTube channels anymore. A lot of people don't even know I have two YouTube channels, but I do, and it all started back in the day of almost getting on a game show. But I'm getting confused, I'm getting frustrated. I don't know what to post and where to post it. I got like 700 videos on EXO A Big Deal with Sister EXO, vlogs, artsy stuff, bass, flex, demos, all kinds of stuff, going to shows. So I'm thinking of just putting all my work into the original one, EXOcontralto. I mean, shit, the only reason why we have EXO A Big Deal is because I almost made it onto friggin' Deal or No Deal and didn't want to put it up on the main channel, which I probably should have. I put so much work into this car audio stuff, but both of them are about car audio. So I'm wondering, why the hell do I have two YouTube channels? I might as well be posting everything, video after video on one channel. Things are kind of changing. I'm gonna be changing location, so I wanted to get everything organized a little bit before I make all these other big changes. We've got 4K on the menu. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it because the bass is a little bit questionable. I'm not sure if it's doing the greatest job because sometimes I'm finding my finger covering it while I'm filming. So yeah, I mean, shit, I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video. Take this opportunity right now to please, if you enjoy the EXO content with this crazy motherfucker right here, subscribe to both my channels, EXO A Big Deal and EXOcontralto, to make it easier to fucking watch this stuff. Even I'm confused sometimes of why I'm posting it on a second channel when it's bass. Everybody would love to see that on the main channel, and this thing is probably going to be helping us, or possibly not. I want to get your opinion in this video because I have a couple clips already filmed, and I'm going to post one of them right now, and just I want your quick little answer of if it's good, should I keep it, or should I stick with the Canon that I'm using right now. But just to let you see the video quality, I'm going to open her up and push record live action here, and you're gonna notice a visible difference. So let's go ahead and push record. Here we are, side by side. Look at the difference in quality there. I can already see that like the green's kind of washed out on the Canon. It's much more saturated on the Sony. It's AX33 if you're wondering. So here we are. It's got like a self-gyrating friggin' lens. Pretty sweet, but it doesn't have as wide of an angle. So here's the new prospect of a camera, and I just wanted to make this video because, you know, changes are gonna be coming, so I'm just running them by you guys.
My name's not Johnny.
So a big deal, EXOcontralto. I'm gonna try to merge it all into one. So let's check these things out. Yeah, there's a new camera, guys. Let me know what you think. All right, till the next one. This is EXO signing out. Woohoo!